Third-degree heart block or complete heart block. Third-degree heart block is the most severe form of atrioventricular AV block, also called complete heart block. There is no communication between the atria and the ventricles. Anatomy and physiology of cardiac conduction. Normal electrical pathway, SA node AV node bundle of his bundle branches Purkinje fibers. Role of AV node, delays and conducts impulses from atria to ventricles. What is third-degree heart block? Complete dissociation between atrial and ventricular activity. Atria and ventricles beat independently. Escape rhythms maintain ventricular contractions, junctional or ventricular origin. Causes. Intrinsic causes, idiopathic fibrosis. Ischemic heart disease, example, myocardial infarction. Degenerative conduction system disease, example, Leves or Leniger's disease. Extrinsic causes, drugs, example, beta blockers, digoxin, calcium channel blockers. Electrolyte imbalances. Infections, example, Lyme disease. Congenital. Signs and symptoms, bradycardia. Fatigue. Dizziness or syncope. Chest pain. Heart failure symptoms, dyspnea, edema. May be asymptomatic in early stages. ECG findings, P waves and QRS complexes have no relationship. Regular P intervals and regular R intervals but different rates. Narrow or wide QRS depending on the escape rhythm origin. Diagnosis, ECG, key diagnostic tool. Holter monitor or event recorder, intermittent blocks. Electrophysiological studies, if needed. Blood tests to rule out causes, electrolytes, drug levels, Lyme titers. Management, immediate, atropine, may be ineffective. Temporary pacing, transcutaneous or transvenous. Long-term, permanent pacemaker implantation is the definitive treatment. Nursing care plan, monitor heart rate, rhythm, and blood pressure. Prepare for pacemaker insertion. Educate the patient and family. Monitor for complications, syncope, heart failure. Ensure emergency equipment is ready. Prognosis and complications. Prognosis improves significantly after pacemaker. Without treatment, risk of sudden cardiac death. Complications, heart failure, syncope, cardiac arrest. Summary, third-degree heart block is life-threatening. Requires immediate intervention and long-term pacing. Nurses play a critical role in early recognition and care.